third graders, we are going to talk about story problems today and specific kinds. The kinds that have equal groups, the kinds that are talking about area, and the kinds that have more than one step, okay? All right, let's take a look here. My first one is an equal group one. So let's look at it. 18 pictures. I have 18 pictures. I didn't write all the words here. I have 18 pictures, and I want to hang them in 3 rows. How many per row? So the thing to remember when it gives you some numbers here is if they give you the total number of something they have, then we know we're going to end up with a smaller number for our answer, because if they give us the total, we're going to divide. All right, so they give us the total of 18 pictures. We want to put them in 3 rows. So since we have the total, we're going to take 18 divided by 3 to find out how many pictures in a row. So how many 3s are in 18? You got it. It'd be 6 pictures in each row. Okay? All right, so now let's look at this one. There are 6 pencils in a pack, and I bought 8 packs. How many pencils do I have? Did they give you the total of how many pencils? No, they didn't. So since they didn't give you the total, we need a bigger number. We have to multiply. So if there are 6 pencils in a pack, and you have 8 packs, in order to find out how many pencils that is, we need to multiply. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 pencils. Okay, so remember, if they give you a total, we're going to divide. If they don't give you the total, we need to multiply. All right, let's take a look at an area problem. Okay, right here we have an area problem. Okay, you can usually tell it's an area problem if they tell you is or how big something is. So they told us I have 1-foot tiles. Okay, they've told us that. That just helps us know that we don't have 2 steps here. Okay, we're not going to use the 1-foot tiles part. Okay, so I bought 42 tiles. I want 7 rows. How many tiles per row? Okay, so do we have the total number of tiles? Yes, we do. So since we have the total, what does that mean we have to do? You've got it. We have to divide. 42 divided by 7 means we're going to have 6 tiles per row. Okay? All right, so remember, they give you the total, divide. If they don't give you the total, you multiply. If you need to find the total. Okay, so I've got one more problem. And this problem is a 2-step problem. Okay? So let's read it. I have 10 cups in a bag and 6 cups in a jar, and I'm talking about flour. If it takes 2 cups for a batch of cookies, how many batches of cookies can I make? Okay, do they give us the total number of flour we have? Well, kind of. They give us 2 numbers, don't they? Okay, so this is one of those 2-step equations. The first thing we have to do is find the total number of cups of flour we have, because they give us the information to do that. They tell us we have 10 cups in a bag and 6 cups in a jar. So we can find out how much total flour we have by adding those. 10 cups plus 6 cups, we have 16 cups of flour. So flour, and each batch is 2 cups. Okay? So, since we have a total, and we were able to get a total, okay, we know that with a total we divide. So 16 divided by 2 cups per batch tells us we can make 8 batches of cookies. Okay? So the things to remember, third graders, when you're doing these story problems, if they give you a total, then you're going to divide.
Mom.
Okay, if they don't give you a total, you need a total, you multiply. Okay, now on these two-step problems, you're probably going to have to find a total first by adding or subtracting. Okay, and then you're probably going to divide. All right, so remember the key to it. If you got a total, divide, or find the total, then divide. If you don't have a total, probably multiplying. All right, see you later.